Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name: red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, green color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. Kids neither numbers. And first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use blue color. O, N, E, 1, 2, T, W, O, 2. Kids again use blue color and draw 3, T, H, R, W, 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4, F, O, U, R, 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Kids neither shapes. And first draw square. The shape of square, and use black color. Kids neither circle. The shape of circle, and again use black color. Kids neither triangle. The shape of triangle, and again use black color. The shape of triangle. Kids neither heart. The shape of heart, and again use black color. Kids last draw star. The shape of star, and again use black color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.